Lympung ïalehkai Senior Table Tennis National Championship ka papapulai ka Sdang Kharpatarek ya Nongbah Shillong ka balapelong ha Indoor Stadium jang ka Science Center ka Pradana Nehu ya kani ka Lympung balapnya da ka Meghalaya Table Tennis Association da ka Shillong ka Sarkar Jilla Apli perda du lampang ka yingdor bertawan jang ka Sarkar Jilla ba med ba lingdo upelong ko bukongsan ha ka jingdor lang menteri bapak ikam ïalehkai ba bantai do lingdo adorn karu da ka director jang ka tat ikam ïalehkai ka kongwanri kinong ketkam jang ka MTTA working president but secretary jang ka MSOA uba John F. Cushing but uba finally pariat but kumjuru ki referee ki bapnya jaki jinglakai.
Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs of the government of Meghalaya to be together here on this inaugural function of this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship. I would like to please should record that it's really a very happiest moment for me to see all the youth participants from all the states in the country who have come a long way from their respective states to be here in Shillong and to participate in this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship. I wish all of you the very best. I'm very delighted and very glad to inaugurate this 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship, which is being organized by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association in collaboration with the state government through the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. I was shocked to receive a very sad news yesterday in the evening about this very unfortunate and sad incident that took place in Nongbah about the accident which took place where one of the participants from Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vishwa Dayalan, who's just an 18-year-old boy and who is also a very promising player, and where his car met with an accident with another truck and where he has to face the untimely death at his very young age. I also would like to take part with others in condoling my deepest condolences to all the family members of Mr. Vishwa, and also my condolences to the entire team from Tamil Nadu. Let me at the outset appreciate the efforts of the State Table Tennis Association for hosting this national level tournament in Shillong. I am told that this is the second national tournament which is being held in Shillong within the northeastern states. And I'm sure that all of you know well about Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, our state, and well you are here in this state, which I'm sure that most of you must be the first time in this place. I am informed that so far the Table Tennis Association has organized 2 national levels, as I've said just now, and they have also organized 2 international level table tennis also in Shillong by ensuring maximum participation. I believe that it was the success conduct of these past tournaments which prompted the Table Tennis Association of India to entrust the conduct of this tournament with the state association. I am really proud to see that again the Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs and his department are gearing up the different activities and has really performed to the mark where the all India level different associations has seen that these success stories of different tournaments have really put faith on them to entrust such kind of tournaments. I'm glad to learn that around 1939 men and 39 women's teams are going to be participated in this Senior National Table Tennis Championship with from different places of the country and are taking part in this tournament, which I have been informed that around 450 participants, if I'm not wrong, you are here today to participate along with all your coaches, your managers, your technical people and others who are accompanying the different teams from different states. It is said that the popular indoor game of table tennis is among the fastest game played in the world today. Though it is field and is confined to a table in a room, it has been scientifically proven that playing table tennis enhances players' brain activity faster than other sports. Since it is an indoor game, it can be played during all seasons. At the same time, this game requires tremendous amount of stamina and mental alertness at all times. The swift movement of the body improves the player's ability, makes the body more flexibility. That's why sometimes whenever I attend any kind of youth programs, I envy all of you because you are at that kind of age or decades where you are very much in a position where you can take part in any kind of active sports activities. It is a common knowledge that any sports, especially in India, can be promoted only if young people develop a genuine interest in it. And interest would be developed only when the game becomes rewarding in some way or the other. Those who select cricket or football as their profession get better financial security and attention than those who play the national game like hockey and others. I strongly believe that the commercialization of popular games has resulted in many other useful games being sidelined. From what I have understood about the status of table tennis in India and Meghalaya, we are yet to ensure the participation of players from the lower income families. There may be very talented players in villages, in the rural areas, but financial difficulties, lack of awareness, or absence of good training, or a platform where they can display their talent may be preventing them from coming forward to play for this game. However, with such events happening in the state, it will be encouraged that the district sports association in our states has to put on efforts to reach to the rural youth. I'm sure that most of the participants here who are in this hall today comes or hails from the rural areas of your respective states. I'm very sure about it. So therefore, the platform where we have to open up in the rural areas is the need of the hour for all of us. I request the state government, to the Honorable Minister, to stress on how we open up the door for the rural youth. I also welcome all the participants of this tournament and wish all of them success. I would like to tell them that the participation in any game should not be limited to the securing of an admission or a job. We must love the game, and we are playing and take the spirit of the game to more places and people. If some of you could develop your skills or put as coaches, it will be very useful in promoting the game in our smaller towns and villages of your respective states. It will also help to address the issue of paucity of coaches of the international level. I would like to conclude, therefore, by suggesting that sport persons should serve society as brand ambassadors. And that also of a healthy lifestyle. This is very, very important for all of you who are sitting in this hall as sports people. I say this because of late, many lifestyle diseases have begun to eat into the health of our younger generation. It is high time the message of healthy living and regular exercises reach our people through our players and athletes.
Friends, the government of Meghalaya has, with a lot of pride, extended financial support to all the table tennis associations here in Meghalaya to hold the prestigious 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship 2022 here at Sai Sports Complex, Shillong. My dear participants, I wish to extend the warmest welcome to this beautiful state of Meghalaya. I hope that you are comfortable and are enjoying not only the hospitality but also the scenic beauty of Meghalaya. Sport must be played with smile and defeat accepted, sportingly, wishing you the very best as you compete in this championship. And also to the organizer who have worked very hard to make this championship success. And also, I would like to inform all of us we are here. The government of Meghalaya, for the last 3.5 years, 4 years, we are very much, we want to promote sports in our state. That's why this championship was held here. Actually, this championship was supposed to have before last 3-4 months back. But because all we know that the pandemic has disturbed us, affected us, that's why we are conducting today. Friends, I would like to inform you all, the Meghalaya government will be organizing from the sports department for the Meghalaya game again, which we organized. We had a Meghalaya game in 2018-19. but against will be having a Meghalaya game by the end of this month, on the month of May. At the same time also, we are going to organize the North-East Olympics before the end of this year, October and November of this year. So that, thank you, so that we can see the promoting and motivate, encourage our youth to excel in sport fraternity.